everyone, welcome to TGIF, your weekly hub for the latest and greatest every Friday. Today, as part of this episode, we would like to address a burning question from our audience on how we can stay updated on the latest features and the roadmap updates that we hear in Microsoft Entra. Our effort has always been on how we can simplify this experience for you and provide you a single pane of glass on how you can adopt these updates and also plan for these changes as well. To embark on this journey of exploration, I would like to now invite Padma, who is a senior product manager in Microsoft Entra, to give you a glimpse about what we are bringing onto the table today. Welcome, Padma. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me here.
So, Padma, today's topic is really exciting because it's about what's new, and that is something that really excites our customers to know what new features are coming up. But at the same time, when we talk about Microsoft Entra, there are a lot of new features that are pushed in every time, and customers really find it hard to stay on top of it. So, what is the solve that we have today as part of what's new, and what is it about?
Great question. Currently, if you see, our customers have to rely on multiple sources to be aware of Entra product updates.
Exactly.
And based on the various feedback that we have received, we have built What's New, which is an experience within Entra Admin Center for our customers to view all Entra product updates in one single place.
Okay, it's like a single pane of glass.
Exactly. And
Okay.
administrators can view details on product roadmap like public previews, recent general availability releases, and the changes we do to the existing features like API deprecations, features becoming Microsoft managed, breaking changes, retirements, all in one place.
When we talk about why is this really important, I'm sure these are some of the challenges that customers have called out, because even we hear a lot of those challenges from customers when they say when they meet Microsoft, they always would like to know what is there in the roadmap.
Exactly.
Right. So, what was the design thinking and what led to this kind of innovation?
Right. What's New provides that transparent view of all Entra product updates so that our customers no longer need to manually track them.
That's right.
Firstly, it is a one-stop top shop portal experience for all product roadmap information.
Exactly.
And then it provides a consolidated view of all the change announcement for our customers so that they are better equipped and well prepared and act on the upcoming changes.
That's great.
To talk about the uniqueness, maybe we can hop on to a quick demo
That would be awesome.
and see how the What's New experience look like.
Sure.
Alright, so now I'm going to wear the hat of an administrator, and this is my What's New experience. Product updates are broadly categorized into two levels. One is roadmap, which is about the new releases, and then the change announcement, which is about the changes that we do to the existing features.
That's right.
And then there is a highlights tab, which is about simplifying an admin's experience. So if I'm an admin, I see an update there. For example, let's take this something interesting happening in the Entra permission management. If I want to learn more about that update, I click view details and then see what's being delivered in that corresponding public
That's
preview. So if I'm in my non-production tenant and say assume I have a right role, now I actually wanted to try it out, configure the policies and see how it works. Now I'm going to click take action, which is going to navigate me to the corresponding blade and enable me to configure those policies. So to answer your question on the uniqueness, it's not just a matter of displaying some static product update. It provides that guided experience along with actionable insights.
That's a key differentiator. I think this is something that customers would really be excited to know, that it's not just about, because this is something that they can get information. If it is just about what are some of the new updates, they can get it from a blog as well. But this actually takes them to take action. So that's really the key uniqueness that we're bringing onto the table. Along with that, Padma, this is something that I generally get a lot of asks from my customer. That is, Microsoft Entra plus Security CoPilot. Can you show us a glimpse on how that works, and what is the value add that Security CoPilot is bringing in the Microsoft Entra space? It would be great if you can just elaborate on that announcement. If you have some demos, that viewers would really love to see that.
Perfect. So late last year, we launched the security copilot experience in the Microsoft Entra ecosystem, which is a great news.
That's right.
And say, if I'm an administrator, and if I need to say A, automate some routine tasks, or B, say, if I need to troubleshoot an identity related issue,
Exactly.
or C, if I need to solve an issue with an identity related risk, then Copilot is the way to go,
Exactly.
right?
That's right.
So let me show a quick demo on how it works, and we'll see the greatness of the embedded Copilot experience. Again, I'm going to wear the hat of an administrator. I'm John, logged into a demo tenant.
Okay.
So I got a query that, hey, there is a user in your org that has gone through an MFA, multi-factor authentication, as part of their sign-in, and I would like to investigate that further. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the sign-in logs, and then look for that particular authentication attempt. So in this case, I'm going to see what Mike Ross has done as part of the sign-in. So I'm just clicking Mike Ross authentication attempt. And then I could see some information that MFA requirement was satisfied. So I wanted to know more on this. So here I'm going to take the help of Copilot, which is going to be my companion and help me understand what happened in this specific sign-in.
That's awesome.
So I'm going to type some simple text here. Why was Microsoft prompted for multi-factor authentication? And then I'm going to leave it to the Copilot to do the rest of the magic.
Okay, this is like true buddy that we talk.
Exactly.
Where you want to deep dive into it, and it's able to bring that information that you're looking for right at your fingertips.
Exactly.
Just about one prompt.
Exactly. You got it. And as you can see, it gives a clear detail of what happened behind the scenes. So Mike was prompted for an MFA, and what are all the conditional access policies that we have configured, has gone through, whether it's a success or failure. It gives you the granular details of what's happening under the hood. And the goodness here is you no longer need to be an identity geek to understand it. All you need is to work with your companion, which is the Copilot, and you can get your job done there.
That's right. And this adds a lot of experience for even a fresher, right? In
Exactly.
space.
Exactly.
So that's really great.
Exactly. So to summarize it, if you want to troubleshoot an identity related issue, or if you want to do more at something at the machine speed, you could leverage the power of AI and the security copilot experience in Microsoft Entra. And this is just a sweet beginning, right? So this is one of the first use cases that where we have launched this experience, and obviously we will be adding more greatness and value to our customers.
Awesome. And I can see that there are some few other prompts that it is suggesting where you can deep dive into get more insights into this particular issue.
Exactly. So if you want to drill down further, you could ask further questions to the Copilot. And as we all know, so we have the data and we have the Copilot. So it's just a matter of learning from the data and making it easier for the admins and providing that value.
That's right. This is awesome. Thanks a lot, Padma, for showing us a sneak peek at what Microsoft Entra Copilot experience is all about. I hope you all enjoyed the Copilot experience that is embedded into Microsoft Entra. This was one of the top asks that I used to get as we would speak about Microsoft Entra with the customers, and once the Copilot was announced. As you know, along with that, as part of this section, we have also shown you how you can check on the latest and the greatest updates that you get in Microsoft Entra space, as well as what's brewing in the roadmap. So this is all that we had for today, but stay tuned in for more updates and latest updates and greatest technology innovations that we bring to you every Friday. Thank you, signing off.
Thank you. Have a good one.